Did you know that when you bite into a fiery chili pepper, your mouth isn't actually burning? That intense heat and tingling sensation is all an elaborate trick played by a clever chemical on your brain. The culprit is a compound called capsaicin, and it doesn't cause physical burns or tissue damage. Instead, capsaicin binds to specialized pain receptors in your mouth and body, known as TRPV1 receptors. These receptors are designed to detect actual physical heat, like touching a hot stove, or temperatures above 43 degrees Celsius, 109 degrees Fahrenheit. When capsaicin activates them, your brain gets a false alarm, interpreting the signal as a painful burning sensation. But why would a plant evolve such a spicy defense? It's a brilliant evolutionary strategy. Mammals like us have molars that destroy seeds when we eat fruit, so chili plants don't want us eating their peppers. Capsaicin acts as a deterrent for mammals. Birds, however, are completely immune to capsaicin because their TRPV1 receptors don't respond to it, and they help disperse the seeds intact. So the chili pepper evolved to be delicious for birds but painful for mammals. And here's the most surprising part: your brain's response to this fake pain. When those TRPV1 receptors scream fire, your brain releases its natural painkillers, endorphins. It also releases dopamine, a reward neurotransmitter. This chemical cocktail can create a feeling of euphoria, often described as a spicy high, explaining why so many people crave and enjoy the burn. This fascinating trick is precisely what the Scoville scale measures. Developed in 1912, it quantifies the concentration of capsaicin by diluting pepper extract until a panel of tasters can no longer detect the heat. So, a super hot Carolina Reaper, with over 2 million Scoville heat units, means its capsaicin had to be diluted over 2 million times to stop tricking the taster's brains. It's not about actual temperature, but the intensity of the illusion. Want to learn more mind-blowing facts about the world around you?